Welcome back to the TennorShare channel, everyone. Forgetting the password to your Samsung phone can be frustrating, especially if you don't want to lose your data by performing a factory reset. In this case, you can use a third-party tool called 4U Key Android to unlock your Samsung phone without any data loss. Here are the steps to follow. Install 4U Key Android. Go to the TennorShare channel and find the link to download and install 4U Key Android on your PC or Mac. Connect your Samsung phone once installed. Connect your Samsung phone to your computer using a USB cable. In the 4U Key Android interface, click on the Remove Screen Lock option. Choose Remove Screen Lock without data loss. Choose the correct device name and model from the provided options to ensure proper tool function and avoid data loss. Double-check the selection before proceeding. Click Next. 4U Key Android will start downloading the firmware required to unlock your Samsung phone. Wait for the download to complete. Put your Samsung phone into download mode. The exact steps may vary depending on your phone model. As an example, for a Samsung 6, press and hold the power, home, and volume down buttons simultaneously. Release the buttons when you see the warning page and quickly press the volume up button to enter download mode. Click Start. Wait for the process to complete. 4U Key Android will start removing the screen lock from your Samsung phone. Wait for the process to complete. Once the removal process is done, your Samsung phone will automatically reboot. That's it. You have successfully removed the lock screen from your Samsung phone without losing any of your data. You should be able to see all your apps and data intact on your phone. Remember, this method may not work for all Samsung phone models, so it's important to check the compatibility before proceeding. Okay, that's all about today's video. Hope this is helpful to you. I will be grateful if you subscribe. See you next time.